Hey Kaylene, this is Lee here. As I promised, I'm going to create this quick custom video for you just to show you some tips and tricks of how you can increase your online presence and hopefully get some more customers through the door. If you have any questions, you can always reach out and we can have some further chats, but hopefully this will get you started at least. As you can see, I've got your website open here, and I really think it's a really cool industry that you're in. Some nice pictures and some nice innovation that you got here. What I like is that immediately what you do see is your email address and your contact number, right? What I would really prefer, if you can make this clickable, right? So if someone lands on this page, you can immediately click the email or the phone number, so call to action basically, that they can immediately make it so easy for them to actually contact you so that they can place an order. Another thing I would like to see, right, is, specifically what you are offering, right? So if you are doing services like doing the actual pedicures, it would be nice to have like a booking function right there and then, very easily to see, so that people can book immediately to book a service and a time, etc. If you're selling the actual products, it would also be nice to see like add to cart and a checkout kind of function, so they can quickly buy a product right from the first thing that they see from a landing page. You want to make it very nice and easy for when people are landing on your website, so they can start purchasing and booking those services. So call to action would be great. The other thing I'd like to maybe just touch on is around the content on the website, right? So, sorry, my puppy here is also very excited about your website here. But in essence, if I'm looking through your website at the moment, you got some content here. I'm looking about 300 words of content probably. Google recommends at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, right? And the reason for that is so that they can actually find the relevant keywords from your homepage, so that they can actually put on the search engine so people can find you. So they go out and they crawl the website and they go and index your website, and they go and see, they try to extract those keywords from your homepage. So your homepage needs to have at least 1,500 words, so you make it easy for Google to can actually extract those keywords for you. So maybe just a tip to increase your content. On Google, I found one of your main competitors. I'm just going to take a look at their website quickly here, and you can see that they also have a very nice website, very clean. I like the feel. You can see immediately, click to call, email, social media, right there. Very easy for people to actually contact. They've got a book appointment right at the top right here. Very easy for people to actually make contact with you. Looking through their websites, they have a bit more content than you, but still, looking probably at 600-700 words of content. So they're also not really hitting the mark of 1,500 words of content. So completely beatable in your area of on the rain. So if you can hit that 1,500 words of content, I think you'll be in good shape. Second thing I want to take a look at is looking at the Google search, right? So you want people to find your website. So when people put in cosmetic pedicure for Alvin on the Rain, what we normally see, you don't see it right now, but normally there's like Google ads right at the top, right? So Google ads are normally a good way for people to quickly see your website and also get to your website. It's a very prime location, but you actually pay for those ads, right? So every time a person clicks on those links, you would actually pay for those links. So nice to get quick traffic to your website, but a little bit expensive over a long period of time. The second part is the Google map listing. And this is great because people will see businesses in the area, right? So they can quickly see what the contact number is. They can quickly go to a website, potentially even book an appointment right from here. And statistics show that around 30 to 40% of people searching for a search term, that 30 to 40% of traffic actually clicks on one of these three links that you see over here. So very important to be listed in here. So how do you get into these three positions of the Google map listing? Well, you have to increase your number of citations. And all the citation is basically, it's a combination of your name, your contact number, and your physical address. So you want to get the citation listed as on many of your directories as possible. And a directory is basically like a Gumtree or a Yellow Pages or something like that. Normally I aim to have between 100 and 200 citations, just to sort of guarantee to be in these top three positions. The third thing I just want to go over is the organic search results. Now, basically what that is that Google shows you the most relevant search results for the search term that you've entered in here. And this is another great place to be in, because once again, statistics show that 29% of people click on the first link, 15% of people click on the second link, and 10% of people click on the third link. Actually, only less than 9% of people actually go past the first page of Google. So very important to be in these top 3 positions, because then you get all this Google traffic actually coming to your website and hopefully actually new customers, right? So the question is, how do you get into these top 3 positions? I'll show you that next. So we use a tool called Ahrefs, and basically what this allows you to do is you can put in a website address like yours as an example, and what it does is spits out some numbers for you, and these are the numbers that Google will use to rank your website. So the first thing I'll go over is the UR. That is your trust index, right? So this is how much Google trusts your website. So at the moment you're sitting at basically a 0. So Google's not really trusting your website, so hopefully this is something we can improve. Your DR is your strength index. So this is how strong your website is in Google's context, and also sitting at a 0 right now. Your backlinks and referring domains, this is what they determine that your website's actually ranked in that organic search results. You want these numbers to be as high as possible, right? So a backlink is basically just like a link from another website to your web page. It's like a shout out from one website to another. And the referring domain is the number of websites actually pointing to yours. So the higher the number of backlinks and referring domains, and also not all backlinks are made equal, so the quality of the backlinks are also very important. So the higher the number, the better quality those numbers are, the higher you'll be in those organic search results. So at the moment, I'm seeing that you're getting, unfortunately, you're getting no traffic to your website, so Google's not really finding your website, right? So you've got a very nice website going there, but it's not being found, and hopefully this is something we can improve over time so you can actually book more appointments. And also not picking any organic keywords from your website, and that's probably one of the main reasons why Google's not finding your website is it's not actually, doesn't have enough content, it's not actually finding those keywords that people are searching for. So something that we want to improve upon. Looking at your competitor, I've done the same thing. I've put their website in. You can see this is the top competitor in your area in Google that I found, of course. So their trust rating is at a 12, so higher than yours, of course, and their DR at a 4.8. So it's higher than yours, but still very beatable, right? Not very strong, but still higher than yours, but very beatable. Google is finding 38 backlinks from them, so 38 links to their website, and it's 9 different websites that are pointing to their website. So also on the low side, still very beatable, but just to give you an indication what your competitor is doing. Google is finding 14 different keywords. We can take a look at what that is right now, and you can see what the big impact is. There's 207 people every month finding your competitor's website every single month. So imagine you had those 200 odd people actually coming to your website. You're making a lot more appointments, right? So what are those keywords that people are finding, right? So people are searching pedicure, alpha, and on the rain. So this is specifically what you're actually offering, right? So there are 900 people every month searching for this search term. So this main competitor of yours is getting the majority of that search traffic to their website. So if you can improve your referring domains and your keywords, that traffic could be coming to you. And it's the same for these other search terms. All the volume is specified over here, and that's how many people are searching for these keywords every single month. And these are the keywords that your website content should be targeting. So just to recap, your website, your homepage, it needs to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content, and that's to make it easier for Google to index your website and to be found. If you want to get onto that Google map listing, you want to increase the number of citations that you have, and then if you want to be on the top of the organic search result, you want to increase the number of referring domains and the number of backlinks that you have while ensuring the quality. These are all tips and tricks free of charge, and I would love for you to go and implement them. If you have any questions and you want to find out more information on how you can do this, please reach out to me and we can have a chat and see how we can actually make your business grow. Either way, I wish you for the best of luck, and I would just ask if you can just drop me a line of feedback if you found this useful. I'm trying to help out a bunch of South African businesses here in the Netherlands, and your feedback will be much appreciated. I hope you have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.